Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play your first notes on the piano. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have an electronic piano and I'm going to show you and tell you how to play your specific first notes. Now, the first thing that you have to do is locate your middle C. So to do that, you want to find the middle of the piano. So I'm going to get my left hand on the left end over here and my right hand on the right end over here. And I'm just going to bring them both to the center. And where they join roughly is going to be the center of the piano. You might be over here, you might be over here, because depending on the speed of your hands, if one's faster than the other, but roughly the center of the piano. When your hands have joined at roughly the center of the piano, you're going to look for two black notes on the top, okay? Two black keys on the top. Right over here, you can see that we have these two black keys. Not the group of three, but the group of two. When you have your group of two black keys, okay, you're gonna go to the left one out of that group of two, and you're gonna go down to the left from that. So the left one from that group of two, down to the left. That is your middle C. You're gonna take your right thumb, you're gonna place it right there. That is your middle C. Play that note with your right thumb. That's your middle C. Next note up, you're going to play with your right index finger, which is going to be D. Next note up with your middle finger, E. Next note up with your ring finger, F. And next note up with your pinky, G. That's it. Middle C, D, E, F, G. Thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky. Those are your first notes on the piano. Very simple. Very, very simple. Literally that simple. Those are your first notes. And yeah, I got nothing else to say. Literally just practice those notes. That's how you can just start playing the piano with your first couple of notes on the piano. And yeah, I have nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.